As you paint more and more, your sketchbook or your place of painting becomes a place of wonder and joy. That place where you find refuge. That place that brings you satisfaction and happiness. And as you do it more and more, you begin to just know how it's done. Some say you can't teach painting, and others say you just have it. Some say it's a skill. But as you take your paintbrush and just go with the flow and dab it around, it becomes a place of intuition and joy. And as I picked up my brush with this particular flower, it just became that piece of wonder. And even without a reference, I didn't know what I was doing. I used the point of the brush and just made these simple marks. And it just took that first mark. And that's where it became really exciting and a fun and simple, stunning flower. So whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced artist, we all face those moments where second guessing creeps in. You second guess every brushstroke, and you might worry about whether you've got the right technique, the right colors. Will it end up looking great or not so great? But here's the thing, it's all about experimenting and having fun. Every artist has made their fair share of oops moments, and the key is to embrace those imperfections. So set aside the fear, and you'll be amazed with what you create. Just by going in with my colors, and I chose 3 colors for this. I did yellow and quinacridone rose, mixed the 2 together and got orange. So 3 colors, but 2 colors. And I just took the point of the brush and went in intuitively. By the time I got down to the leaves, I did not have a reference, so I didn't know how to paint them. So I just painted them from feeling, and I just went in with the technique I knew. And that's the exciting part, is that that's all you need. Simple brushstrokes that transform into stunning flowers. And take your time with each brushstroke. You don't have to rush through it. And when you see those petals coming together, it's such a satisfying moment. And just like that, you created something beautiful. The thrill of watching the painting unfold right before your eyes is truly magical. Trusting the process and celebrating those little victories, because each flower is a testament of your creativity and bravery into trying something new.